Welcome back to the ClientCraft Setup and Configurations video series. Once again, my name is Paul Rosenbeck. I'm the founder of ClientCraft, and I'm excited to be the one guiding you through this process. Today, we're going to cover Module 2, Company Settings. So in this video, we'll cover how to add and update your company information and how to set up your company logo and branding. First things first, you're going to find Company Profile by going to the left sidebar menu down at the bottom, clicking on Settings, and then navigating to Business Profile. All right, so here in the Company Settings section, you'll find all the fields to enter your company name, address, phone number, website, so on and so forth. So make sure you fill out all the necessary fields there. Branded domain, we will get into in a later video, so don't worry about that right now. Business website, and then select the industry that you service. Once you're done with that, click Update Information, and that'll all save. Now that that's all set, let's move on to the company logo and branding. Click on the Upload Logo button, select whatever file it is from your computer, hit Open, and that will upload here. Again, note the size requirements for this. The proposed size is 350 pixels by 180 pixels, no bigger than 2.5 megabytes. You can click the Edit button and you can crop it, get it down to size, whatever you need to do to make it fit. Once you're done with that, again, go down, click Update Information, and you'll be good to go. And real quick, just circling back, up top right-hand corner under Business Physical Address, make sure that you select the correct time zone. This is going to be important when we integrate our calendars and we start getting into scheduling so that everybody's on the same page. You can also select your platform language and outbound communication language right here. And remember, once you're done, always hit Update. That way everything saves and you're all set. In the next video, I'll show you how to add and manage team members. We'll see you there.